Hi there friends, thanks for tuning in. So today's episode is going to be for those people who are starting out their fragrance journey, and I'm going to name you guys 3 amazing fragrances that you should start off with. So I'm going to be naming you 1 fresh fragrance, 1 night out fragrance, and 1 loud fragrance. So let's jump right into it. So for the fresh fragrance, I chose by the House of Chanel, and this is Plata Amiguas. This one is very aromatic, it's green. We get some musky notes to it along with the lavender and the herbal notes. Very classy, sophisticated, masculine fragrance. Very easy to wear. Can't go wrong with this one. Very soft, gentle, so it won't offend anyone. You could wear it in the office. You could wear it casually, formally. It's a great one to check out. So for the night out fragrance, I chose by the House of Dolce & Gabbana, and this is the one Eau de Parfum. Starts off very fresh, and we get some nice sweetness from the amber, and we have tobacco in here, which gives it that masculinity. So it's very warm, cozy. It sits closer to the skin, so it's a great one to wear for the date nights. Will work really well, so definitely check this one out. And last, for the fragrance that's very loud, it's by the House of Armaf, and this is Club de Nuit Intensement. Now the one that I have is the limited edition, but you get the Eau de Toilette concentration. So when you apply that one off, it opens up very citrusy, very piney, but as it dries down, we get the nice muskiness to it with some smokiness. This one's very similar to the niche fragrance Creed Aventus, so it's a great alternate. This one will definitely get you a lot of compliments, so do definitely check this one out. So there you have it, guys. Those are my top 3 fragrances that I highly recommend you start your fragrance collection with. So for the people who have been collecting already, write down in the comment section below what were some of the fragrances that you start off with. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. Peace.